Earth's frequency, how Schumann resonance shapes your manifestation power. Schumann resonance is the natural electromagnetic rhythm of the Earth. It is not mystical, not symbolic, and not a belief system. It is a measurable physical phenomenon. Between the Earth's surface and the ionosphere above it exists a gigantic electromagnetic cavity. When lightning strikes anywhere on the planet, the energy does not disappear. It travels around the Earth, bouncing between the ground and the ionosphere, forming standing waves. These standing waves are called Schumann resonances. The fundamental frequency of this resonance averages around 7.83 Hz, with higher harmonic frequencies following above it. This frequency exists constantly, surrounding every living being on Earth. This becomes extraordinary because this frequency range overlaps with human brainwave activity, particularly the border between theta and alpha states. These brain states are associated with calm awareness, creativity, intuition, meditation, and deep focus. This does not mean the Earth is controlling your mind. The deeper question is what happens when biological systems evolve for millions of years inside a rhythmic electromagnetic environment. All life on Earth developed inside this frequency field. Plants, animals, and humans evolved within an electrically active planet. The Earth has a magnetic field. The atmosphere carries electric charge, and lightning occurs around 100 times per second globally. Schumann resonance is not energy being added to you. It is background rhythm, similar to gravity for time and attention. You do not feel gravity, but remove it and everything collapses. Modern research confirms that Schumann resonance is extremely weak in strength. It does not overpower the brain or force thoughts. Biological systems, however, respond not only to strength, but to timing, coherence, and pattern stability. This is why circadian rhythms respond to light, heart rhythms respond to breathing, and nervous systems respond to environmental consistency. The influence of Schumann resonance is not domination, but entrainment potential. In neuroscience, entrainment means synchronization rather than control. A weak but consistent rhythm can stabilize stronger systems when conditions allow. Two pendulum clocks mounted on the same wall eventually synchronize, not because one is stronger, but because the structure allows resonance. The Earth is the wall, and you are one of the clocks. Manifestation is not about wishing or forcing the universe. It is the ability to hold a coherent internal signal long enough for behavior, perception, and opportunity to reorganize around it. That ability depends on your nervous system. A chaotic nervous system produces fragmented intention. A regulated nervous system produces stable direction. Schumann resonance becomes relevant here not as a power source, but as a reminder of coherence. The Earth maintains a stable rhythm despite storms and constant lightning. Your mind can learn to do the same. When your nervous system is calm, your attention sharpens. When attention sharpens, intention becomes clear. When intention is clear, actions align. When actions align, outcomes change. Many people misinterpret Schumann resonance charts online. Spikes are often mistaken for frequency increases or consciousness upgrades. In reality, most spikes reflect local lightning activity or ionospheric disturbances. The fundamental frequency remains stable, and that stability is the message. The Earth does not chase higher frequency. It maintains coherence. Carl Sagan said, "We are a way for the cosmos to know itself." This is not about control, but understanding. Across philosophy and neuroscience, the same principle repeats. Order creates power, not force. A disciplined mind brings clarity, stability, and effectiveness. To align with Earth's frequency in a real way does not require tones or cosmic events. It requires stabilizing your internal rhythm. Sit comfortably and breathe slowly through the nose. Let the exhale be slightly longer than the inhale. This naturally brings the nervous system into coherence. Place attention in the body rather than the head. Feel the feet, the chest, and the weight of the body. Introduce intention not as words but as a felt direction, not wanting abundance but feeling grounded, capable, and steady. Holding this state trains resonance. You are not trying to match Earth's frequency. You are reducing internal noise so your system stabilizes naturally. This is why nature feels calming, silence feels powerful, and grounding feels real. Frequency is organization over time. Life changes when internal organization improves. Schumann resonance reminds us that we are not separate observers standing on Earth. We are biological instruments shaped by it. When the mind is chaotic, manifestation feels impossible. When the mind is coherent, life responds differently, not magically but naturally. The universe does not respond to intensity, it responds to consistency. Consistency is coherence.